Hi viewers, welcome you all to yet another important episode of Kmap. This is Dr. DEEPALAKSHMI in YouTube channel Learn to Infinite. Okay, so today we are going to see the final episode of Kmap, 5 variable Kmap. So many students usually used to avoid this question when 5 variable Kmap is asked. So we will now see how easier it is when 5 variable Kmap is asked. It is similar to 4 variable Kmap, okay. So let's take an example of 5 variable f of a, b, c, d, e with the following minterms, right? So this represents sum of products. So with the following minterms from m0 to m31. So now how many squares the 5 variable Kmap will have? So it consists of 2 power 5 which is equal to 32 squares. Okay, so the 5 variable Kmap will be having 32 squares. So what we can do is we will split it into two 4 variable Kmap. So 4 variable Kmap consists of 16 squares. So 16 into 2 it is 32. So if it is 4 variable, what happens to the 5th variable? So first square is for when a is equal to 0 and second Kmap is for when a is equal to 1. You can take anything, either you can take b is equal to 0, b equal to 1 or d equal to 0, it's up to you. You take any one variable to be 0 and 1 and the rest you solve it using your 4 variable Kmap. So those who are not aware of 4 variable Kmap, please do visit our previous video where we have dealt with the 4 variable Kmap, right? So now coming on to the question, it is m0. So this is your first square is m0, this is m1, m2, m3, m4, m5, m6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So M0 to M15, the first Kmap is over. So this Kmap is from M0 to M15, right? And this is from M16 to M31, right? Now this is again 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 is here. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So now we are filled. So hope you would have understood how we have filled our minterms for 5 variable. Okay. So for 5 variable Kmap, we are splitting the 32 squares into 2 4 variable Kmaps and one variable, one Kmap is for normal value and another Kmap is for the complemented value of a single variable. So this variable can be anything. Here I have taken A. You can also take any of the variables from B to E so that the other 4 variables will be coming inside your Kmap. Correct? Okay. So now what we have to do? As per the hierarchy, first we have to check for the octet, next is your quad and next is your pair. Finally is your pair. So check whether any octet is there. So octet is 8 ones together. So far as what we have seen, no 8 ones together are there. Okay. So now we will see whether there is any quad. So quad is there. So we can take this 2 ones and this 2 ones. This forms as one quad and again this forms another quad. So 2 quads are there. Okay. Now listen here. Compare this second row. This also comes under 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Listen carefully. So for this 2 quads, you don't have any doubts, right? So there is one more quad. So because here also the second row consists of 0, 1, here also the second row consists of 0, 1. When you are folding it, you can form a quad with this 2 ones and this 2 ones. Right? So this also should be the second row and this also should be the second row. You can also form with the third row and third row also if at all the ones arises there. Right? So totally our question solution consists of 3 quads. So we will see what is the answer for the first quad. So this is the first quad. The answer will be B dash because C dash and C will get cancelled. Similarly this is D dash, E dash, D, E dash. Right? So D dash and D gets cancelled, E dash. So this is the answer for your first quad. Now coming on to the second quad, this is your second quad. Okay. So this is B dash C, this is BC. So B dash B gets cancelled, so C is there. So comparing these 2 rows, D dash D gets cancelled, E is there. So this is CE is your answer for your second quad. So finally coming on to the third quad, this as the second row and this also as the second column and this also as the second column. So in the second column if you see, C and C dash gets cancelled, so remaining is B. Similarly here you will be having D dash E is there and here also you are having D dash E. So D dash E. Okay, so this is the final answer for your 5 variable Kmap. One more thing, see when you are taking this Karna and this Karna map for 4 variable, your A dash and A will get cancelled, so your answer will be B D dash E. But for the first Karna map, that is when you are solving for this quad, your answer will be B dash E dash. You should also note down your A dash. Okay, this is the answer for this Karna map. So what is the variable here? A. Hope you would have understood this, right? But when you are taking 2 columns from the first Kmap and the second Kmap, your A dash and A gets cancelled, so that you are getting only B D dash E. Okay, when you are solving from the first Kmap, you have to remember your complement value A dash. When you are solving using your second Kmap, you have to remember your normal value A, and when you are solving using 2 Kmaps, your A dash and A gets cancelled, so the remaining variables will be your answer. So this is the final answer for your 5 variable Kmap. Hope you would have found this solution very easy, and those who are well versed in your 4 variable Kmap, no need to worry about your 5 variable Kmap because it is ditto the same. The only thing is you have to solve for 2 4 variables, one for the normal value and one for the complemented value for the 5th variable, right? So we will be seeing more useful videos in the next forthcoming sessions. Till this, Dr. DEEPALAKSHMI signing off in Learn to Infinite YouTube channel.